welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with y'all how to wear a sari at home. It's very simple and easy, and only you're enough to wear your own sari. You don't need anyone's help. I'm going to share with you some easy tips and tricks which is going to be a life changer, or you can say a savior for wearing a sari. Most of them struggle from wearing sari, but I'm going to teach you some simple tips and tricks. So if you're new around here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So here I've taken a sari. This is purple in color and it has a thin border, so I've taken it. So first you're going to take out the pallu part. Only when you start with the pallu part you get a really nice look. So first take the pallu part and start pleating it very slowly and thin, because it should fit only to our shoulder. So you can see me measuring there. It should fit correctly only till the shoulder, and then catch the pleats for a small distance. You can see how I'm catching it. So catch it gently like that, so that you get uneven pleats everywhere. And now once you got all the pleats together, take a small pin and secure it, so that it will not come out and your sari will be neat throughout. However long you wear, your sari will be neat. And then what you have to do is go and stand next to a cupboard and place it on top of a cupboard, because you're doing it alone, or if you're taking someone's help you can ask them to catch it for you. So you're going to catch this and start pleating it very slowly. Catch all the pleats together, so you can see. Take correctly according to the first pleat and then start arranging the pleats behind, and you just have to gently press it. You do not even need to iron it. It comes that neatly. So if you just do it neatly, that's more than enough. You don't need to iron the sari also. So you can see how I'm catching the pleats behind. Sometimes you might lose a grip, but it's okay, just do it slowly. Or you can do this the previous night itself, only the pallu part, so morning you can get up easily, wear it and go for work or any functions or anything you have. So catch the pleats again like how I did. Adjust all the sides. Both the sides should be equal, otherwise it will look very bad, and it should be according to the shoulder length only. Thin and nice would be more better. And now again arrange everything, and once you're done, just press it once. That pressing will help to nicely make the sari settle and give it a nice professional finish. So nicely catch the sari, and where you finished, there again you put a pin. So you can see me catching all the sari, and there I secured it with the help of a pin. Yes, you can see. And now if you want, you can remove the upper pin which you put, or just leave it like that. And now this is the bottom part. You just have to little arrange it. And now let's move on to the bottom. So first I've worn the skirt which you wear inside the sari, and this is a tip for looking a little more slimmer. Is you can wear a petticoat or a tube top. Tube top will make you look more, your body hugging it will be, so it will make you look more nice and fit according to your body weight. Actually you look fat while wearing saris, most of them tell. So like that only you can wear either a petticoat like that or a tube top. If you don't have a tube top, use a petticoat. There's no issues on that. And then you can start by rotating the sari around. Tuck it in nicely so that it doesn't come out. That is very important. And make sure the border is seen nicely. And then take the extras for keeping the center pleat here. So yeah, I've still made the pallu hang on the cupboard itself. And then after taking out the extra pleats, just put the pallu over your shoulder and adjust it how much of a length you want, because it depends on each one. Some people like more lengthier and some people like medium length. So just take according to your wish. Make it just a little bit, settle it in the front, and hold all the pleats together so that it's tight and neat in the front. Otherwise in front also it will look too buffy. If it is too puffy and all, it will look very bad. So then tightly pull around the waist in order to get a nice slim fit, or you can say body hugging sari. And then start by pleating the bottom pleats. So according to how you took your pallu, same way I would like to do the bottom also, by taking thin pleats. You can also take thick pleats, doesn't matter, but I like taking thin pleats. It will look very nice and professional. So once you're done, just tuck it in, tuck all the extras in, catch hold of the sari at the starting, and then put off one pin, because then only it will be secure and nice. So I used a little bigger pin in order to secure it really well. You can ask someone to catch the pleats down and make it orderly, arrange it orderly. Otherwise you can just sit down on
on a sofa or a bed or a chair also, and then just pull all the pleats. You can do it yourself, you don't need anyone's help. And you can see the bottom, how neat it looks. All the pleats are arranged neatly, and this is how it looks. And now let's do the pallu, arrange everything well. So first you're going to start by placing the border at the end, and then I removed the pin from where we put it in the last pin, no, that should come near the shoulder. So I first place everything correctly, how much I want to cover, because some people want more coverage, they don't want to show their stomach and upper body, so that is why they cover a little less. So you can cover how much ever you want. So I covered it a little, and then I placed it correctly on the shoulder. As I told you, it should be shoulder length for this purpose. It should not hang below your shoulder, it look very bad. And then I placed a pin and secured it really well, and now you can start adjusting, and you can adjust however you want. Now it will come really beautifully and nice. So this is how you're going to do it. Catch the border and pull it on top a little and adjust it like this. You can see however you want. You want to cover fully, you want to leave it a little more down, that all up to you. It doesn't matter, however you want. If you want, you can use one more pin and secure the other border too, but I didn't do so because it was perfect. And any extras, don't forget to tuck it in, then only you'll get a body hugging or fit sari. Now you can see I've almost placed all the borders everywhere and done everything. And now what you have to do is place the pleat accordingly correctly, and I've done everything. And then I was just setting the top pallu and the bottom pleats together so that it should all combine and look like a blend, and nothing should be odd or very awkward. So that's why I did it. Even in the sides I pulled all the pleats tightly. I want a body hug sari, as I told before. And now I quickly changed into my blouse and came. This is a blouse I'm wearing. You can wear any blouse, contrast blouse, matching blouse, that's all up to you. And yeah, this is the neck of the blouse, and I pleated my pallu. You can see it's perfect shoulder length and looks so beautiful. Like this only they wear in the parlors professionally. So I want all of you to try it out. This is so simple to wear and looks so beautiful, and I taught you in a very easy manner. So this is a final look, and I hope you'll really enjoy the video. So see this, everywhere it's so neat and pleated. There's no wrinkles or anything. It's fully neat and nice, body hugging, body fit, or whatever you want, you can see. And the pallu will stay as long as possible. There's no worries. You can be fully confident enough and go anywhere you want, especially for those who are uncomfortable with sarees. Don't worry, this will never fall off. And I'm just showing you in a close-up so that you get to know how the pleats are. It is so neat, and I was so happy. I learned this, and I was really happy. I wanted to learn this for such a long time, and I thought when I learned, even I wanted to share with y'all, so that even y'all get to know how to wear the saree beautifully. And this makes the final look, and I hope you'll all try it out and send pictures to me.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I hope all of you after watching this video will be really inspired to wear sari, and that too you can wear it yourself, so you can right away go ahead and try wearing a sari. And yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let's see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.